Hey 99ers, St. Patrick's Day is over, so it's time to move on to the next holiday, which is Easter. So we're gonna change our beautiful year-round Christmas tree with all Easter decorations. So we're gonna start with our cut up pieces of garland and we're gonna stuff them in the middle. So I added this really cute Easter egg ornament. I want to get all the big ornaments up first and then put the little ones on. We have these really tiny Easter egg ornaments, so I'm kind of just gonna put them everywhere to fill up the tree more. So I kept going back and forth on if I wanted to put blue bows on it, but you know what? I'm gonna put blue bows on it. These are way too cute to not put on a tree. For the top of the tree, since it is spring, I'm gonna use the same white flowers I used for our St. Patrick's Day tree and kind of just stuff them in at the top. The last thing I added to the tree was the ribbon, this clear white one that we used for St. Patrick's Day, but we are reusing it for Easter.